how to verify signature in PDF. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, download Acrobat Reader right here. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just open our PDF, of course. So let's say, for example, that this is the PDF that we want to use as an example. So just click that. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click this three horizontal line and then click the preferences, which is right here. And then in this part, just look for the signatures and then click that. And then for the verification, just click more. And then once you do that, you will not be able to see this. So what we're going to do next right here is to, right here, if you see that this is turned on, make sure to turn it off and then click OK. So that should fix your problem. So just click OK again and then look if your signature have been verified. However, if it is still not verified, what we're going to do next is to redo the steps that we did all over again. So what we're going to do is to enable it just again. So just go here on the upper left corner of the screen once again, and then click preferences, and then go here on the signatures. Under the verification, click more, and then enable this once again, and then click OK. And then once you do that, that should already fix your problem. So once again, that is how easy it is. That is how to verify signature in PDF.